Hello there, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make an HEIC file into a JPG file. So why would you want to do that? Well, because my iPhone takes pictures in HEIC, but the program I want to use in order to immortalize my friend's drawing, here he did 30 years ago, on a t-shirt, with his permission, of course, only takes JPEG files to use as photos that they can put on their t-shirts. Now, I'm in Photos, right? So I'm in the regular Photos app. So just go ahead and hit Photos. And then I pick the image, and I hit Info. And it doesn't tell me here in Info. Oh, it does, actually. It says HEIF right here. So the HEIF button is right here. I'm sorry, the file. It's under Adjust. You see where it says HEIF? Okay, so anyway, I don't want that. So what I want to do is I want to take a screenshot of this image. So I'm going to hit the power button and the volume up button. It's going to screenshot it. I'm going to click on that little thing that goes down that frame that goes down to the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to crop the dark image areas out. So I'm left with this image, and I'm going to hit Done. And it's going to ask me, save to Photos, save to Files. So I'm going to save to Photos. And so now, when I go to Photos, right, so I get out of this, and I go to Photos, it'll be the most recent photo in my list. And then what I do is hit Info, and it actually says PNG, screenshot. But if I go to export this to my drive now, it says JPEG. See, image 3116, JPEG. So I'm going to hit Upload, and I'm done. And now I have an image that's a JPEG in my Google Drive. So let's go to Google Drive and check real quick. Google Drive. Now this image is an HEIC that I tried to throw into Google Drive before. Let's go look and see if there's another one that's a JPEG, and there is. This one, the most recent one, 3116, is a JPEG. All right, so I hope this helped you. If it did, it had any value at all, smash like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Have a great day.